afternoon, dear students. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will starting our new chapter, that is computer hardware. So in this chapter we will discuss about the hardware system of the computer. So let's start it. Basically, a computer consists of internal and external hardware devices that work together to perform computer operation. कंप्यूटर के अंदर इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल हार्डवेयर मौजूद होते हैं जो कि एक साथ मिलकर अपने ऑपरेशंस को परफॉर्म करते हैं. देयर आर मैनी इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस दैट आर अटैच्ड विद आवर कंप्यूटर such as external devices are plugged into connection point on the system unit. जो external devices होती हैं वो plugged out होती हैं connections के साथ to perform the activity in the computer. This unit help to identify some internal and external hardware devices of a computer. With the help of this chapter, we learned about some internal and external hardware devices of a computer. So let's start discussion. Hardware in the system unit. Let's discuss some hardware devices enclosed in a system unit. Some devices are labeled in the following figure. These all are the hardware devices that are illustrated in this diagram, such as optical drive, heat sink, power supply and fan, connector, expansion card, hard disk drive, motherboard. These all are the hardware devices that are attached with a computer CPU. Now move on the page number 2. Motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board fixed within a computer system unit of a computer. Basically जो motherboard है that is fixed inside the CPU, and with the help of this motherboard computer can work. It supplies electricity to hardware devices and enable them to communicate with each other. With the help of this motherboard, it supplies electricity to the hardware devices, and after that hardware devices able to communicate with others' computers. Some hardware devices are plugged into the motherboard internally. Some hardware devices ऐसी होती हैं जो कि plugged हुई होती हैं कंप्यूटर के inside. Such devices include the central processing unit, जिसे हम CPU कहते हैं, hard drive and memory chips. These all are the part of motherboard. There are many connection points called slots on a motherboard to plug-in device. The motherboard has many connection point and opening called ports. motherboard के बहुत से connections points होते हैं और opening points भी मौजूद होते हैं जिसे हम ports कहते हैं. They are used to connect the external devices of a computer. और ये तमाम connection points यूज़ किए जाते हैं ताकि हम external devices को connect कर सके with a computer. To identify slots and port on a motherboard, see the figure. This is the figure. With the help of this figure, we can identify all the devices that are connected with the motherboard and start able to working. Now move on another topic, that is slots. Slot are socket on a motherboard. स्लॉट जो है वो बेसिकली एक सॉकेट है मदरबोर्ड का. डिफरेंट इंटरनल डिवाइसेस आर इंसर्टेड इनटू अ स्लॉट्स टू इंक्रीज अ कंप्यूटर परफॉर्मेंस. इंटरनल डिवाइसेस को इंसर्ट किया जाता है स्लॉट के साथ ताकि जो आपका कंप्यूटर है वो बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर सके. नाउ मूव ऑन पेज नंबर 3. इन पेज नंबर 3 we have different slots located on a motherboard include the following: memory slot, expansion slot, processor slot. Now we will discuss about the computer ports. Ports are connection point found on a front or back of a computer unit casing. Basically जो port है वो एक connection point है जो कि आपको मिलेगा front or back system unit casing. Port allow the plugging in of external devices such as the mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, modem and universal serial bus यानी USB. बेसिकली जो कंप्यूटर पोर्ट्स है, कंप्यूटर पोर्ट्स अलाउ करते हैं कि हम प्लग कर सकें एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस को, और जो एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस को हम प्लग कर सकते हैं दैट इज माउस, कीबोर्ड, मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, मॉडेम एंड यूएसबी. हम इनको प्लगिंग किए बगैर यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, तो इन्हें प्लग करना ज़रूरी होता है. और आफ्टर प्लगिंग दीज ऑल डिवाइसेस आर एबल टू वर्क. Now we will discuss about the expansion card. Expansion card are electric circuit board that give a computer additional capability. Basically एक्सपेंशन कार्ड जो है वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट है जो कि कंप्यूटर को एडिशनली कैपेबल बनाता है. एक्सपेंशन कार्ड आर इंसर्टेड इनटू द स्लॉट्स as a slot on the motherboard. एक्सपेंशन कार्ड्स को भी इंसर्ट किया जाता है मदरबोर्ड में. देयर आर many types of expansion cards such as graphic card, sound card, network card. These all are the cards which are inserted into a motherboard and they are able to working. Now move on page number 4. Now we will discuss about the processor means CPU. Basically the abbreviation of CPU is Central Processing Unit and it is a brain of a computer and it is also known as a processor. इसकी जो शेप है वो बेसिकली स्क्वायर होती है और CPU जो है वो हैंडल करता है ऑल द फंक्शन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. एंड कंप्यूटर को जितनी भी इंस्ट्रक्शन रिसीव्ड होती हैं फ्रॉम हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर, with the help of this CPU they can processing it and give you the answer. Without CPU computer cannot function. Now we will move on another topic that is the computer memory.